Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about management for the thumb sucking. Okay, in previous videos we have discussed what is meant by thumb sucking. Okay, who are suffering with this problem, regarding this we have discussed in previous videos. Okay, in this video management for the thumb sucking. Okay, thumb sucking is a one disorder for the childhood stage. Okay, many of the children have this problem of thumb sucking. Okay, who are having unhappiness or insecurity or over stress or excessive punishment. Those children are for relieving stress or tension. Okay, they are using their thumb finger for sucking. Okay, in this how to control this problem. Okay, in this first of all infancy. Okay, first month to 12 months of age group children we are called as the infancy. Okay, in the 1 year of children, okay, at the age of 1 year of children there is no particular treatment for control of thumb sucking. Okay, here they are not required any medical management or any medicines for control of thumb sucking. How we are control this problem. Okay, we are no need medicine, but how the control this problem means we are using the some of the mechanical like diverted measurements. Okay, first of all we have to do the diversion of child mind. Okay, how to divert means, for example, the child is suffering with the or a child have any stress or tension or insecurity. As a parents or as a nurse we have to give some type of diversional therapy to the children. Okay, sometimes the child having this problem means for avoidance of thumb sucking we have to use the rubber nipple. Okay, by giving rubber nipple the hands will be busy. Okay, the child is used this rubber nipple. Okay, they are observed and they are avoidance of this thumb sucking problem. Okay, next in this some thumb sucking will be removed at the age of 1 year. Okay, below 1 year of age group children easily they are avoided this problem of thumb sucking. Okay, there is no proper treatment or there is no proper medications for control of thumb sucking. Only we have to give mind diversion of children and we have to use this particular rubber nipple for the avoidance of thumb sucking. Okay, next in this we have to use if frequently waking hours means if the child feel unhappy or bored or any irritable situation or any tension. Okay, in that particular situations we have to use the child for happiness. Okay, if the child feel unhappiness, sad situation is there means as a parents we have to provide for how bringing of happiness of a child. Okay, what we have to provide it for the children for bringing of normal or happiness. Okay, by providing which toys or which items for the children. Okay, the child will feel happy. Okay, what is the way for the child is happy? Okay, by providing so good happiness or the any normal activities we have to provide for the children means the child will feel happy. Okay, the child forgetting this type of thumb sucking. Okay, next as a parents we have to provide adequate rest to the children. Okay, by providing adequate rest. Okay, when we are providing adequate rest, okay, by reducing hard work or by reducing tension or punishment, okay, the child will feel happy. There is no insecurity feel or loneliness or boredness. Okay, then the child will reducing their thumb sucking habit. Okay, next in this we have to give the some as a parents we have to improve the play activities of a child. Okay, as a parents we have to give some toys to the children or some items to the children for observing or for playing. Okay, by playing the child will busy. Okay, the mind not having any thinking or feeling of thumb sucking. Okay, once the child will be concentrate on the playing, okay, the child not go for the any thumb sucking feelings. Okay, next in this we have to give some avoidance of irritability and tension. If the child having any tension or any irritation, okay, for avoidance we have to do as a parents how to reduce. So what is the problem for tension? Okay, what is the problem for tension? Why the child having any anxiety or fear? What is that particular situation? That situation will be identified. Okay, for identification of a specific problem. For removing that problem, the child will reduce the tension and stress. Okay, next we have to give some busy to the hands of child. Okay, by giving toys or by giving some type of work, the work will be done with the help of by using fingers. Okay, only the fingers will be busy. Okay, always busy of the fingers of your child. During that busy, the child not feel for any bad oral habit of the thumb sucking. Okay, next during deep sleep the child will use this type of thumb sucking. Means as a parents we have to observe gently. Okay, immediately after sleep, after putting this thumb into the mouth, we have to remove that thumb. Okay, when we are frequently removing that thumb finger into the mouth, okay, that the process will be reducing their thumb sucking habit. Okay, once we are living, it means the child will use frequently. Okay, when we are stopped in early stages, the child will restriction of this habit. Okay, next one is the in this some bitter tasting lotions or the creams or gels. Okay, we are applied this finger of thumb. Okay, bitter tasting lotions or the creams or gels or soaps. Okay, or any products is there, the product taste will be bitter. Means by applying this thumb finger, okay, the child is, when the child putting in the thumb into the mouth, the child will feel bitter taste. Okay, the child will be slowly reducing their habit of thumb sucking. Okay, slowly reducing their habit of thumb sucking. Why? Because once the child will putting this thumb into the mouth for sucking, okay, immediately the child feel this bitter taste. Okay, the child immediately removing that finger. Okay, this is the one way for control of thumb finger, thumb sucking. Okay, next another one is the by using gloves. Okay, by wearing gloves to the fingers, the child will feel discomfort when thumb sucking with the wearing weird gloves. Okay, the child may be restricted or avoidance the thumb sucking. Okay, next one is the by maintenance of hygienic measures. Okay, we have to prevent the infections. Why? Because the child will playing with the fingers with the soil or the unhygienic items. Okay, immediately the microorganisms or the bacteria will be easily enters into the mouth of the child. Okay, some disorders will cause by this unhygienic practices. No. Okay, as a parent or as a nurse, we have to improve the hygienic measures of the child. Okay, when the child will play with the unhygienic items or the unhygienic area, okay, immediately we have to use some type of hand washing gels. Okay, by frequently hand washing, the child will reducing the infection. Okay, this is the management for the thumb sucking children. Okay, next one is the complications. Okay, what are the complications for the thumb sucking? Okay, by doing continuously they are doing thumb sucking means is there any complications in the children's means yes, is there some of the complications for the children's. Okay, continuously they are using this type of thumb sucking up to 4 to 6 years of age group means the child has some type of complications like malalignment. Okay, malalignment of teeth. Okay, the teeth alignment should be abnormal. Okay, some type of some teeth in the mouth, okay, in front teeth, the teeth will be upper, or some will be this lower jaw should be low down. Okay, this upper jaw should be up. Sometimes the lip should be very short. Okay, due to the malalignment of the teeth means why? Because this malalignment means continuously the thumb finger will be putting into the mouth, the child will be pressing up. Okay, the child will be, this finger should be pressing up of the teeth. Okay, that's why the teeth and gum should be goes up. Okay, this alignment should be improper. Okay, this is the one complication for the thumb sucking in the children's. Okay, next another complication, the child should not be, or the child have difficulty in swallowing. Okay, when the child will taking food, they are suffering with the some type of swallowing problems. Okay, the food cannot be easily swallowing. Some problems is there in the when the food is swallowing. Why? Because some malalignment, some problems in the mouth. Okay, next another complication like deformity of jaw. Okay, upper jaw, lower jaw is there, no? Okay, due to the continuously the thumb finger is putting in the mouth, the jaw should be malalignment. Okay, deformity is there in the upper jaw. Okay, there is no proper movement or there is no proper structure of upper jaw. Okay, what is the use of upper jaw means? For mastification, for chewing of food, no? When we are taking food, the food should be some amount will be digested or chewing by the teeth. Okay, with the help of upper and lower jaw movements. Okay, here some structural deformities is there in the children who are suffering with the thumb sucking habit. Okay, next another one is the some type of problem like complication like facial dissociation. Okay, some facial abnormalities, some movement should be restricted, some looking will be abnormal who are suffering with this problem of thumb sucking. Okay, sometimes the child will feel GI infections. Okay, the child will suffering with the GI infections. What are the GI infections means? In this the child having the GI infections. Why this process means the viruses or some bacteria should be entered into the mouth by the thumb fingers or the fingers. Okay, due to the unhygienic practices or unhygienic food materials enters into the mouth. Okay, the microorganisms also enters into the mouth, that will be enter into the lower GI tract. Okay, the child may have so many diseases. Okay, this is the one complication regarding thumb sucking.